learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是Lim Zepsiu. That's Joseph Lin right here along with Alice, inviting everyone to do something, go somewhere, and hopefully your answer is yes or maybe no. 你想去吗？好啊，不想。
想去吗？
想去吗？ That means do you want to go somewhere or do something?
好啊。
好啊 yes.
没想。
没想 no. All right. So what are we going to do today? 我们今天教一个是天天都可能会碰到的啦。
什么东西？
吃饭啊。
对 OK
我们看看 Alice 会不会跟我去吃午餐呢？我们现在来问你，你想去吃午餐吗？ Do you want to go have lunch?
想去吃猪吗？
想去吃猪吗？每次都记得午餐就是跟猪有关，然后晚餐是跟鸭，对不对 ？OK， 猪 sounds like pig, but it really means lunch. 想去吃猪吗？
那是猪，
是猪，
海陆腔，
海陆腔了，对不对 ？OK， 比较不像猪了。
对。
All right, that's how do you ask someone out to lunch? 那你的答案是？
没想，爱喊都给没喊。
没想就没想，讲那么多干嘛？
我还在忙啊，我总要讲理由啊。
好好，你很有礼貌的回绝我了。
对，没想，爱喊都给没喊。
Okay, Alice's answer is no, I don't want to because I'm still busy. 好，不想。
没想，
没想，我还在忙。
爱喊都给没喊。
爱喊都给没喊，没喊 that means I'm busy. I don't have time right now.
对
All right, got it. 那我可能还是会希望你来嘛，所以我就会说等一下再做嘛。Just do whatever you're doing later.
等一下，张周啦。
等一下 that means a little bit later. 张周啦 do that thing you're
再做
doing.
啦
OK. 或者是我就觉得你对我已经很绝情了，但是我还是很礼貌的要问你，好吧？那要帮你买什么吗 ？Okay, sure, but do you need anything?
好啦，
好啦 that means okay.
爱人听数买嘛给么？
买嘛给我 that means buy something. You want something? Do you need anything to eat? All right, let's review all these vocabulary. To have lunch, to eat lunch. 吃午餐。
吃猪。
吃猪 and then busy. How do you say 忙？
没喊。
没喊 Okay, and let's review the structure of this Q&A, and that is 你想去吗？
想去吗？
想去吗 And then 好啊，
好啊，
好啊 or 没想That means 不想 I don't want to 下次一定要跟我去吃午餐了。
好啦好啦。
That's for today's Practical Hakka.
什么大家？
按子 say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.